Hi everyone, welcome to the Cloud Institution. Cloud Institution is the best institution in Bangalore. In the previous video, we have covered the what is the Git Rebus. In this video, we are going to cover the what is the Git Stash. So, for example, what the scenario is like. So your manager comes and like for example, you are working on one of the project and you are and the particular task. So now the manager comes and it tells you that leave that project or leave the particular task, and work on the different task now. It's very urgent. And at that time, you cannot commit that one also. Whatever the you made some changes, you cannot commit or you cannot move into the staging area. So now the thing is like it is having some code which cannot be written again. Like so at that time, so what I can do is here, so I can just move into the one of the working directory or like a backup kind of thing. Okay, so at that time I can just use the word git stash. So the git stash is when you want to record the current state of the working directory and the index, but you want go back to the clean working directory. For example, like whatever the I have made some changes, so that should not be affect to the whatever the main code. So and I want that code to be stored in a one of the backup area or the working progress area. So at that time I can just use the what git stash. Okay, so it will not affect to the what your main task. Okay, so whenever you are working, so when you want, you can take that whatever the code you have written. Okay, that is how it will be done. Okay, so now let's see with the one of the example or scenario, uh, practical session itself. For example, I'm in the main, so let me edit this one, git demo.java. Okay, so in the demo.java, I have till here. Okay, so int a equals to 10. Okay, so I'll add one of the what line. Okay, so system dot out dot print ln. Okay, hello world. Okay, I'm doing this one now. So this is the line. Now this is a particular task I was working. Now urgently some my manager came and he made me to work on a different task. Now I this whatever the particular line I want to keep in. I don't want to move into the staging area. Okay, so I want to put it in a one of the work in progress area. So like in a backup area. So whenever I want, I can take that back. So at the time I can use the water. This one that is git stash. Okay, git stash. Okay, so if I use this git stash, so it will be moved into the one of the directory, working directory and index state. Okay, so that is what it will be there. So what is that? The commit, it will the previous commit, it will be there now. Okay, so now what I'll do if I want to see that. Okay, so git stash list. Okay, you can see that it is present here. Okay, what all the things has done, or you can see that cat demo dot py. So only like sorry, not cat demo dot py, it is Java file. Okay, there was I have added the system dot out dot println, right? So but it is not there now. It is moved into the one of the working directory. Okay, so if I want to see that where it is exactly, then you can see this using the git stash. But even though you want to see the what which line is saved. Okay, so at that time git stash uh, show hyphen t. Okay, so then I'll use the git this stash id. Okay, stash, sorry, I have to use the stash here. You can see that. So this is the added one. So that is here it is added one. I have moved into the what working directory. So that is how we can see using the what git stash show hyphen t. Now I want retrieve back. I can use the two method. One is a git stash pop. Another one is git hyphen apply. Okay, so git stash pop means what happens it will remove from the working directory, and also it will retrieve back. Okay, so it will move into the what, your local. Okay, so local folder. Okay, so we have to go for the staging. Okay, now you can see that demo bi sorry cat demo dot java file, that whatever the system dot out dot println I have added it, that will come back to us, means it will come to the file. Okay, so this is how we can go for the git stash. I hope this video is helpful for you to understand what is the git stash, so you can practice it in your own. If you get any doubts, you can comment it out. So until then, so stay tuned for the next videos. If you like this video, please hit on the like button, share it to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.